Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see an introduction to the presentation mode in Canva. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, we have a complete playlist that you can check out from the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, now we will see how you can use the predefined templates of the presentations in Canva and use that to deliver a presentation, let's say in your class or in your company. So how you can switch to the presenter view as you're used to see in PowerPoint. So from the main interface, you can see this presentation option. I'll click here and you have different formats to choose from. This is 4:3 brainstorming presentation, game presentation. You also have mobile first presentation, which will be obviously in portrait mode. So any talking presentation, if you want to record yourself as well, there is an option in Canva that you can play and record for your YouTube video or for any explanatory video that, let's say, you want to upload it on YouTube or on your personal website, or for communicating a message to your employees or students. So you can create that talking presentation and you can record yourself as well. Basically on any presentation you can record yourself as well as you can play it at the same time. Let's start off with the presentation in 1920 by 1080 pixels. So I'll click on it, and when I click on it, I have different templates that I can choose. Right now we already know all the tools how to create the presentation. So let's just see how you can use any presentation mode. For example, this. For example, I'm a teacher and I want to explain the classroom rules. So I can use this presentation. This has a couple of slides, one of 13 slides in total. Let's click on it and apply all 13 pages. So what you can do is, when you are in here and you want to present that in front of class, so you will connect the projector and simply go to share and use the present mode. As soon as you click on the present mode, it will ask you for the type you want to play. The standard is advance at your own pace. That means similarly like PowerPoint, it will be played in full screen mode and you can move to the next slide or the previous slide at your own pace, but obviously you have to manually change it from the laptop. Autoplay means you can set the speed to play for each slide. Presenter view, that you can use your notes that your audience won't be able to see, but you have some additional notes what to speak about and upcoming slides as well, that in future what slide you will be talking about. And present and record means you can present the whole presentation and record yourself right now. And let's say if you want to communicate all these rules, not physically, you can just publish it on the website. So that will produce a kind of video. So let's go with the standard mode and click on present. Like I said, you can change it at your own pace, and from the right arrow or the left arrow key, the slides will change. So it depends on how much time you will take on the particular slide, and then you can move to the next one. Whenever you want to go to the main screen, I'll press escape to go back to the main screen. Now let's shift this mode to the other mode, and that is autoplay. In autoplay, got it, it said timing for each slide. Let's say to check, I'll keep it 2 seconds, and let's say I want to apply it to all the 13 pages. And let's see now. Present in the autoplay mode, present. So now you can see each slide is changing within 2 seconds. So this is the option here. And let's go to the third option, that is presenter view. Presenter view, like I said, it will assist you with the particular notes. You can keep your notes here, and for each slide, this is page 6. You want to talk about this topic and these details, or let's say you want to talk about these 3 points on 5 classroom rules. And similarly, you can define notes for each slide. Let me define for other as well. Okay, now let's see. Now let's go back to the present mode and the presenter view and click on present. Now the audience window will be this and my window will be this. So audience will see only the full screen version of it, and I can see all the details, like I can see and take assistance from notes. I can see what other slides are about so that I can prepare in advance, especially if you have a presentation in a class or in a company. So it's better to use this presenter view, and like we have defined some rules. For example, here I want to talk about this 3 points here. So this is very helpful. You can easily do that here. And the plus point of using Canva for presentations instead of PowerPoint is you will find some amazing templates predefined here for whatever topic you want. So it just takes a little bit of your content to be put in, and you have a complete professional presentations present here right away. So these are some of the options. We have talked about the standard mode, the presenter mode, and now in the next video we are going to talk about how you can add animations and record yourself so that you can create a video from that presentation as well. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.